Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then classification of sulfonylureas. Sulfonylureas are classified into two types. We have first generation sulfonylureas and then we have second generation sulfonylureas. In the first we have first generation sulfonylureas. This contain chlorpropamide. Then tall Fluorpropamide and tolbutamide are the first generation sulfonylureas. Then we also have second generation sulfonylureas. Second generation sulfonylureas are glimepiride, glipizide, gliclazide, glibenclamide. So glimepiride, glipizide, gliclazide and glibenclamide are the second generation sulfonylureas.
thank you and thank you for watching.